These types of product assembly videos are going viral on Instagram right now. And the best part? You don't need to spend a single dollar. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these kinds of videos using free AI tools. First, I created a master prompt for you guys, and trust me, it's insanely powerful. The first step is to copy the entire master prompt. Make sure you carefully copy everything. Yes, everything. This is not the time to freestyle. Now, open Claude AI. You can also use ChatGPT. Then paste the master prompt into the prompt box and hit send. Claude AI will provide you with 10 object ideas. If you want more ideas, you can simply type more. But for now, I'm going with number 2, luxury watch. So I simply type 2 into the prompt box and hit send. Then Claude AI provides us with a before image prompt, an after image prompt, and the video prompt. And here's the good thing. These prompts are extremely detailed, which helps us create realistic images and incredible videos. Alright, now copy the first image prompt. Then open Flow AI. Choose Create Image. Select your aspect ratio and the number of outputs you want. Paste the prompt here and hit Generate. Wait a few seconds, and as you can see, our image is generated. Now, the quality looks literally impressive. Honestly, it looks like something that would cost way more than free. Next, choose your image as a reference. Then head back to Claude AI and copy the second image prompt. Go back to Flow AI, paste the image prompt, and hit Generate again. Wait a moment, and boom! Our second image is ready, showing every part of the watch separated and displayed individually. Now, let's turn this into a video. Choose Create Video. Add your first image into the prompt box. Once it's added, upload the second image as well. After both images are added, select the OmniFlash video model. Now, go back to Claude AI, copy the video prompt, paste it into the prompt box, and hit Generate. It usually takes about a minute. And there it is. As you can see, our video is generated. Now, take a look. It looks exactly like the type of video we're trying to create. Pretty crazy considering we're doing all of this with free AI tools. And honestly, by using this exact same method, you can create all kinds of product assembly videos. Download the video in the highest resolution available, and here are a few more videos I created using the exact same process. So that's how you can create these object assembly videos using free AI tools. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next viral niche before everyone else discovers it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.